Hi, I'm Taffy. I'm back in my hallway and I've got a friend. Okay, so the other day I pruned my friend Bruce the bonsai, which my sister gave me. That's a real bonsai from a real bonsai shop. I pruned him and I had such a lovely time. I got so excited. I decided I want to try and do my own, you know? I want to try and do my own. I did go to the nursery and I bought a couple of like native shrubbies. They're outside. What I want to do though, I've got some things in pots sitting out the front, right? We're sort of redoing the front garden, so we cleared out a bunch and I dug up this little rosemary plant. I was looking at it and I was like, I think there's some potential there. So I'm gonna try and practice on this. I'm just gonna practice. Now I know rosemary, notoriously difficult to work with. Sometimes they'll just straight up die for no apparent reason. That's okay. And also the branches are very snappy. That's fine. If I fuck it up, I fuck it up. It doesn't matter. Cause, you know, it's just a rosemary plant. I've got heaps of those. And if I need more, fuck it, I'll just take some cuttings. So I looked online for proper bonsai wire because I assumed from watching all the videos that it was like wire wrapped in some sort of, I don't know, like rubber stuff. Turns out it's not, it's just anodized aluminium, so it's like dark, so it looks more handsome. And it's expensive, and it's gonna take ages to get here. And I got impatient. So I just got some Job Mate, just normal utility wire, 1.25 mil. Okay, I'm sure I can make something work. What else have I got? Secateurs, little snippies. I think these are wire snippers. I don't know, I asked my husband, he was like, I think there's some in my toolbox. I looked in the toolbox, there were lots of things that looked like they could have been wire snippers. I don't know, man, I don't know anything about tools. I've got a big bag of hummus. I'm not sure if that's quite the right thing to make bonsai mix out of. But again, it's just a shit little rosemary that I grew myself. Doesn't matter, it'll be fine. Fuck, if it's not fine and it dies, well, it dies, and then I've learned something. Also, I don't have a proper bonsai pot, but I've got this, and I've got some rocks that I found in the garden. Most of those are just sort of boring round river stones. The river's like only a couple of blocks away, presumably it ran through here millennia ago. I've got quite stony soil, but I found those because because bonsai usually goes in beautiful ceramic things. I guess they're quite heavy. This is plastic. So I'm gonna chuck some of these rocks in the bottom of this to make sure it doesn't just blow over. First thing I've got to decide, I've had some thoughts. Either I tip it like this, so it's like this sort of windswept, or I do it like this, because all the foliage is sort of going this way, so I could like organize it to be like windswept this way. I'm not really sure. There's only one way to figure out the best thing, and that involves, I don't know, I'm just gonna have a fiddle, you know? I'm just gonna fiddle. What do I do first? Okay, I'm gonna chuck some of these boring little rocks. Is that heavy? No, not really. There's some big ones. Right. I kind of had a thought about maybe could have a rock sort of on top that it's gonna growing out of. I found this cute bit. Maybe I'll use that. That's quite cute. So otherwise, which other ones look like they could be doable for? Maybe I'll hold on to that one. Okay, so I'm gonna hold on to those two. I'm gonna chuck those in there. Good start. I'm doing this inside, which I don't know. Hopefully I don't spill too much on the floor, because otherwise Robot Steve, our vacuum cleaner, might not be that pleased with me. Love you, Robot Steve. Right, I've also got a chopstick. This is one that we used for dinner last night. I made dry fried Szechuan beef. It was very nice. I don't think it's gross to reuse one that's had a little bit of food on it. You won't mind little bonsai, will you? How do I do this? Right. It's just, oh God. Maybe I should have got rid of more of the soil outside. Probably. Oh, here she come. Here she come. Okay. Well, let's just have a little grass. You don't need to be there, my friend. Is that part of the plant? I don't think so. Okay, what do we, oh God, what do we got? I can tease out some of these roots so that we can flatten them out in the new pot, I guess. Oh God, this is going everywhere. Oh dear, I'm an idiot. I wonder if this bit is attached to, oh yeah, that's, do I hold on to it? I don't know. That is a good question. So you can see this is quite dry. You don't usually do this with dry soil, but I thought it might be easier to do it with dry soil. I think I might have been wrong. Now, what's happening right up here? Can I have a look at where your roots are at the top? Are there any good ones at the top that I could do stuff with? Yeah, I just dug this out in my garden. And presumably it was a cutting that I took from a nursery guy at some point. Oh yeah, that's a cool sticky bit. Okay, wow. I'm gonna put that guy there. Okay, no, wait. Oh God, so much soil in the house. What am I thinking? Now, I'm gonna mix up some of this with the soil that's in there and make a mixture. Oh Lord. Okay. Good. I think this is just garden soil, isn't it? Nothing special. Okay, I'm gonna put a bit in here. Oh, yeah. We should have covered up that bottom hole a little bit better. I think it's probably fine. Right, good start. Do we go? See, this dead bit's kind of neat, I think. So either we do it so that it's sitting like that. Actually, that's kind of cool. Or we do it this way. Oh, whoops. Yeah. Taffy must make decisions. I'm not very good at decisions. Oh, I think this way. Let's just yeet that down in there. If I was going to chuck a rock under there, do I do it? Oh, yeah. Like, is that impressive? Is that cool? Kind of. I thought I was going to like it better the other way, but I quite like it like that. This little bit of grass can fuck off. Like this. Yeah. Okay. I've made a decision. This. Just like this. Okay. Let's just fill that in. And then, does that look cool? Maybe. Right, then you get your chopsticks and poke shit down. Oh, there's a little millipede. I don't want you there. You go on that one. Millipede. Okay. Right. Now that bit's dead, right? So I don't think I can fuck with that. I mean, actually, you know, that looks quite cool. What if I bring that one there down like that? I reckon I could get some curly shit in there. Okay. Right, I'm gonna get my job, mate. And no, easier. Do you cut through plastic? Yeah. It smells like rosemary in here. It's very pleasant. Now what do I do? Maybe I'll just cut some sections and then we can go from there. Oh, now she's gotten all tangly. Please don't do that. I'm gonna start with that many. So, I'll grab that bit and bring it around there. Right, so you've got to go now. Oh, this bit's gonna be hard. Ooey, ooey, ooey. Right, in here, and then okay, I'm gonna get a little bit and then deal with that front dude, hopefully without snapping it off too much. Oh, difficult. Okay. This is not good wrapping, my guy. Now this bit I want to move. So that's coming around here. Okay, cool. I think that's out of the way. Okay, so I'm dealing with this little branch. I'm just going to do this, I think. And then down. Okay. Look. Okay. This bit at the end is quite serious and woody. I might get rid of it. Stick that in the ground and it'd probably grow. What about doing something with this? Instead of going straight like that. Okay, I'm gonna deal with this bit. Right, I'm gonna snip that bit. And probably that little sticky bit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, this is challenging. So now I've done that, where do I want to go? Yeah, that's already better. Oh shit! Oh, that snapped a little bit. It's probably fine. Fun? Okay. That's what's happening so far. And then this big one, it's already kind of cool looking, eh? But like this. Oh yeah, so what was I doing with this one? Do I send that like that? Or is that shit looking? Do I do another one like that? And then there's that guy there, which, yeah, I'm gonna lose that one. I mean, it's kind of pleasing so far. Is it? Or is it fucking ugly? I don't know, it's kind of ugly. Right, I'm gonna do something with that big bit. Grab a medium length piece of stuff and then go. Probably should have pulled off a bit more foliage, but okay. Now where's this going? Oh, felt something giving way a little bit there. Right, I think that bit of, get rid of those. Oh yeah, it's better. Okay. I'm gonna try wiring up this branch and then we'll see if, I don't know, I can do anything with it. I don't know how appropriate this wire is. It might be shit, and it probably just means I have to take it off a bit earlier than one would normally to stop it getting damaged and shit, but, so, where are we going with you? Yeah, it's gonna be a difficult one. That's quite woody, isn't she? She's woody. How much could we bend you back on yourself without disaster? Oh god, disaster! It's only a little bit of cracking. And gently, gently. I really want you to head back that way though. Yeah, okay. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Are we making progress? This whole bit here is kind of blurb. Do I chop it? Yeah, I might. Are we gonna get rid of both of them? Yeah. I want it clean. Don't need these two bits either, do we? Do! I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, the wiring is amateurish, to put it kindly. But I think it's quite pleasing. I don't know, hopefully none of those bits that I cracked will die too much. If they do, then I'll just have a nice dead sticky bit. What's the term for when you have dead sticky bits in your bonsai? Is it shibari or something? Could I bend that like that? Would that be more pleasing? It might be quite pleasing. Okay. I mean, it's a dead bit, so if I fuck it up, it's not gonna, you know, regrow itself. As this is dead, I don't know if it, if I even take the wire off, it's just going to spring right back. But we can try. It's just trying things out. I'm going to have to work on my wrapping technique because she's pretty ugly. So where am I sending this? Right. I don't know, man. I don't know. Does that look sick? I think it does. I think that looks awesome. There. Set this other rock in there. Good. Got rocks. I'm surprised. I mean, to be fair, the plant had sort of done most of the work itself by the time I got to this, hadn't it? It was already quite gnarly. I can't tell whether it's ugly or not. I don't know. Sick. I'm gonna stop fiddling with it now. But like, yeah. I'm not mad, I don't think. But hopefully it survives. You need a name. I'll think about it. Okay. I'm gonna go take him back outside, give him a good watering, and then wait. Just wait, I guess. Sick. This has been fun. Oh, it's fun. Fuck. So, if you want to give it a go, just, you don't have to get a special wire. I mean, maybe you do, but like, if you just got a cheap shrubby or something like that, fuck it, just go. Just have fun. If it dies, it dies. It's just a little rosemary bush. Right, well, okay. I've been Taffy. You've watched me, play with a rosemary bush. You've watched me play with a rosemary bush. Okay. Bush. Okay, so if you had fun, like and subscribe, and I guess I'll catch you on the next one. Fam. Right. Peace out. Love you. Bye.